Hey, g'day guys, it's Adam from VideoShowMeHow, and quick little video today because we are celebrating a bit of an anniversary. Well, kind of, 11 months, but you know, close enough, bit of rounding when we get there, and that is of the DMAX build starting. That was the start of the DMAX build. We're way down the garden path now and far too far to turn around and come back. So we're plowing ahead. We're up to 36, 37 videos. There's a couple of videos that you haven't seen yet. They're coming out on the channel soon. And mods number 1 and 2 of the whole build were both from HSP, great Australian company based in Melbourne, and they were of their central locking kit and their tailgate assists. The tailgate central locking side of things just makes life a whole lot easier from a sort of a day-to-day use sort of thing. Crazy that they don't have any locking mechanism from factory. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. Pretty straightforward, enables you to unlock like you would normally and ties that into your central locking. And then the other part is what you just saw there. It makes your life easier with the gas struts that are designed for the DMAX and the DMAX weight for the whole tailgate to just go down a little bit slower, a little bit more safely. And then the same in reverse, makes your life a little bit easier when you're closing up the tailgate. Now, sit rep on both of these 12-ish months in is they're still working like a treat, and they're both super simple DIY installs. Now, great news, HSP, being the legends that they are, have one of each of these guys to give away to one of you guys. So 2 of the Video Show Me How subscribers are gonna walk away with one of each of these, 250 bucks worth each, so 500 bucks worth up for grabs. So as always, we'll keep this super simple. We'll only run it for a week and we'll do a cheeky live draw at the end so that everyone can see everything's above board and you can see who wins each of these 2 prizes. Only a couple of steps to do. Step 1, make sure you subscribed, of course, to the Video Show Me How YouTube channel if you're not already, but then also to the HSP YouTube channel. Step number 2 is to share this video with a mate. And step number 3 is let me know on this video on the Video Show Me How YouTube channel in the comments down below, what's the next mod? What's the next mod you'd like to see on the Video Show Me How DMAX build? And that's it, easy as 1, 2, 3, super simple. We'll put all of the details in the description of this video so you know what's what. We'll only do it for a week, guys. We'll do the live draw at the end. We'll do the old wheel of names, which is always good fun. So get involved and good luck. But other than that, guys, as always, I hope that you have an amazing day and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.